Hey there shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about bed frames. You guys, this is from Linenspa. They are a great seller on Amazon. They have so many bed frames and also mattresses, so make sure you check those out as well. But this is going to be our choice for one of the best foldable bed frames that also has plenty of storage. It's a lot higher than the other ones. Most of the time you're going to find that they are in that 12-inch range, and it doesn't always give you a lot of clearance to store things underneath the bed. Most of the bed frames, especially the platform style, really you're looking at like 8 inches of clearance. This has over 13 inches of clearance, so you're gonna have a lot of room to store, you know, your old decorations, your winter clothes, or whatever it may be. If you live in a small space or you're trying to, you know, really maximize your space and really have it be a multifunctional room in your home, then this is a great option. This is also a great option, you guys, if you don't like putting things together, because this comes together so fast. No tools necessary. Really, there's no assembly. Like, I don't consider this something that you even have to assemble because it's foldable. It's designed to fold up, fold down, so it comes to you all in one piece, and all you have to do is unfold it and hand tighten the legs. So hand tighten, no screwdriver, no nothing. It's that easy. You know, it's ready to go in under 5 minutes. That is really handy, not just the first time you put it together, but also if you guys, like if you are, you know, a young person and you're planning on moving, or anyone that's planning on moving, really, this is a great option. It doesn't take up much room at all to move from place to place, and you're not gonna have to worry about if you get, you know, a big bed with a canopy, or, you know, a big headboard and those kind of things that you might have to have a lot of pieces to take apart when you move. This is not going to be like that. It's going to be so much easier. You just literally fold it and you're done. This is designed like as a platform bed base, so you don't have to have a box spring with it. I really like the look of that. It looks very clean, very modern. I also find that it's more comfortable for me to sleep on just a supportive base bed with my mattress directly on top of it. It's a lot more supportive, and it's also better for the life of your mattress. So there's so many reasons to switch over. If you're still using your old box spring, this is a good way to make the switch. I also love that this platform bed does not have the slats. A lot of platform beds have detachable wooden slats. Those can shift and move, especially as your bed gets older. These are all that alloy steel, and it's built in, all one piece, so you never have to worry about it moving or shifting. It's super sturdy, maximum weight of 750 pounds, which is a lot higher. Most of the beds that I've seen on Amazon are right around that 500 mark. So this is a great option if you are supporting extra weight. Plus, it has a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer. So you guys, this is an awesome option. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be very glad that you did.